Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are taking a culinary journey to the beautiful state of Goa with a classic dish that packs a fiery punch, Goan pork vindaloo. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with this bold and flavorful curry. We are going to create a dish that's perfect for spice lovers with tender pork cooked to perfection in a rich, spicy gravy. This recipe might sound intimidating, but I promise it's easier than you think. We'll guide you through every step from marinating the pork to achieving that perfect balance of flavor. So gather your ingredients and let's get cooking. This Goan pork vindaloo is sure to become a new family favorite. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for more delicious recipes. Ready to embark this culinary adventure? So now let's begin. So first take a mixer jar. Add 15 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 4 Goan dry red chilies, 15 black peppercorns, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 8 cloves, 1 inch ginger, 12 garlic cloves, half tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon palm jaggery, 1/3 cup Goan vinegar, 2 cm round tamarind soaked in water for about 20 minutes. Make sure to please squeeze the juice out. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1/3 cup water and blend to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside. Then take 700 grams pork meat cut in medium cubes, some salt to taste, 2 tablespoon Vindaloo Masala which was previously, and then give this a nice and marinate for about 1 hour. Then in a hot add oil, add 2 onions chopped and until the onion is nice and soft. Then add the Vindaloo masala which was previously made. And then fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then add marinated pork and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add 1 cup water and give this a nice mix. Then add 2 cup water and make it a nice gravy. Give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then give this a nice mix. Then add 1 tablespoon sugar. Add some salt to taste. And give this a nice mix. And cook it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a fiery and flavorful Goan pork vindaloo. This classic dish is packed with heat and the perfect balance of sweet and sour flavors. The tender pork just melts in your mouth. Serve this vindaloo with steamed white rice or Goan bread for a truly authentic experience. If you prefer a milder curry, feel free to adjust the amount of chilies. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious Goan recipes. And if you try this recipe, be sure to tag me on social media. I would love to see your creation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.